My name is Conor. This is my bike check for 2013. First off, I have my We the People Volta frame for 2012. Lasts me about a year and a half. No cracks. Maybe a dent. Yeah, no dent.
Who is that dent? Look at that sexy dent.
There's a nice dent. I have proper TTL bars, scratched. They look lovely. ODI grips, 2 months. They look shit. Stall AM stem lasts me about 2 years. I have We the People Patron forks, 2013, 25mm offset. I have Salt Plus cranks, lasts me about 2 years as well. I have a Cult pedal, Odyssey pedal, and I have an E-clap pedal. I broke the other one. I have a Federal V2 Street sprocket, red, sexy. Got a lot of friend beats right there. I have Saw Plus chain.
It's fucking shit.
Lasts me about 2 years, fucking terrible. I have Odyssey J lighter pegs. They've lasted me ages. I have an Odyssey V3 hub, Odyssey hazard light, hard anodized rim, spokes and all. I have an Odyssey hazard light rim, Odyssey Van Zero V2 hub, and a G Sport hub guard, courtesy of David BMX. I have a BSD headset. It's pretty sweet. Runs smooth and everything. I have a We the People seat.